Hey guys, it's Corey B, aka Bing-er. I'm going to make a short video today, kind of talking about what I'm going to be doing next, but also really praising the DJI forums. I've owned 2 DJI drones now, and I'm hoping to get a third one, the Mavic Air, probably right after our Paris trip when we come back from that. I don't want it showing up while I'm out of the country. In the meantime, I'm going to order this Tello today, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to get it for about $10. And that is totally thanks to the DJI forums. So let's go. The Tello Ryze drone is a micro drone. It's 80 grams. It has a 13-minute battery, and it is $100. I didn't know until its release, was that yesterday or a day and a half ago, that there was going to be a compatible controller. There are actually 2 compatible controllers. One of them only works with the iPhone. It's a really cool one that sticks on the sides of the phone like this, but I won't be getting that one because I have Android products. So I'm going to be buying the other. It's called the Gamesir, G-A-M-E-S-I-R, $26, and it holds your phone above it like that. So you can actually use this controller, which I'm going to be using it for classic video games too on my phone, but you can also use it to fly the Tello. The extra batteries for the Tello are $19. That's super cheap for a spare battery, but those are not available yet. But the Tello is, and it's only $99, and if you order it from DJI, you're not going to pay tax on it. I know it's $1 cheaper on Amazon, but you got to pay tax. So let's go ahead and order it here. So the Tello is $99 even. I'm getting this not really to make amazing videos and take great pictures. I'm getting it because it looks like a fun drone. It can do flips, you can fly it indoors safely, unlike some of the other DJI products. I am looking forward to reviewing it because I constantly have people come up to me and say, my son or my daughter wants to get into drones, which one should I buy? And when I say you should buy the DJI Spark, but then I tell them that the price point used to be $500, now it's $400 with a controller, I think that's a screaming deal. It's still too expensive for kids to dabble in drones. However, this Tello, which is $100, another $26 for a controller, and then throw in a couple batteries at 20 bucks a pop, that is very affordable. You're not going to take amazing videos like your Spark or your Mavic series or Phantom series or anything like that. It's only 720, 13-minute flight time on the battery, no GPS. You're limited to 100 meter or 100 yards range, which, I mean, is good enough for starting out. But one thing that's great for kids is it incorporates those flips. I've had a lot of people, specifically kids, ask me to do flips with my Spark, and I say I can't do that because they've seen it on YouTube. So this is a great drone for its price point. Hopefully, I'm going to buy it today. I'm going to show you how I'm going to get it for 10 bucks. Right here, DJI credit balance. I have $88.95 in here. Now let me tell you about DJI credit for a second. I guess there's 3 major ways you can get credit on DJI. Number 1 is use your link to your store, and I never put those in my videos, so I haven't created any credit through that, but I should be making a link to the Spark in the DJI store at the bottom of each one of my YouTube videos. Maybe I'll have to go back today and add all those links. This is a pretty common way to do it. A lot of places do it like this. It's a referral credit. Number 2 is anything you buy from the DJI store, you get a certain percentage back. I think it's like 1%, but hey, that's better than nothing. This $8.95 here is actually credit I've earned back from buying stuff in the DJI store. So I've spent $895 in the DJI store. However, the bigger portion of my money here, the $80, is all from posting in the DJI forums. Fantastic forum. I'm a member of 3 different drone forums. I like DJI the best because it's the largest group out there. Their administrators are very friendly and very helpful. There's so many people using it and they give great feedback. The first time I posted a tutorial was my Tiny Planet tutorial. This one right here. This is really slow. This is my first Tiny Planet tutorial. Notice I have almost 4,000 views on it, but now I realize because I'm a small-time YouTuber, that I've actually made more money off of the DJI forums than I have from my YouTube channel. This was the first video, I believe, that I posted that I got marked as digest. And let me swing over to the forum so I can show you this. here, can the DJI Spark handle a blizzard? This is my last video that I made yesterday. This got marked as digest. Should it fly in the blizzard? Yeah, it can, but it probably shouldn't. Every time something gets marked as a digest or one of your pictures gets shared on the Facebook DJI forum account, you are getting points. And if we look at points, you can see that I have got total in my lifetime of the forums here, 15,097 points. You have a max of 5,400 points a month, it says right here, you can redeem, and 1,800 points is the minimum to redeem for $10 in DJI credits. So if you count this up here, that equals $80 in DJI credits that I've made. That's fantastic. I love it. It not only benefits DJI because we're creating content and tutorials and how-to videos for them, but it also gets you off your butt and out there flying your drone, and it rewards people. It rewards them for making content and making great videos. But anyway, let's buy this drone right now and use all of my credit. I'm gonna click this button here. $10.05, I think I can afford that. There it is, payment complete. I just spent $10.05 to get a new drone. I'm super excited for it to get here. As soon as I get my new Tello Ryze DJI drone, micro drone, I'm gonna make an unboxing video, and then soon after, hopefully, I'll have some indoor flying videos with it, testing out its limits, seeing what it can do. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. See you later.